eet105 problem 10.32. Capacitor in figure 10.102 is initially charged at 20 volts before the switch is closed. Write the expressions for the voltages VC and VR2 and the current IC following the closing of the switch. Plot the resulting waveforms. So it's already charged up, right? So the first thing you do is figure out tau, and when you close the switch, tau equals RC equals R1 plus R2 times C equals 1.1K plus 2.2K times 180 microfarads, and that ends up equaling 576 microseconds. So we are discharging. So we use the discharging formula. VC equals 20, because it's already charged up to 20, times E minus T divided by 576 milliseconds. IC equals V initial, the initial voltage, which is a 20, divided by R1 plus R2 times E to the minus T over tau, ends up equaling this, equals that. That's the equation. Again, we're leaving T in the equation because we don't know what T is, it didn't say. And then to figure out VR2, you need to do a voltage divider. So that's the 2.2 times 20 all over 2.2K plus 1K. It's 13.75. And then you put that in as the voltage times E to the minus T divided by 576 microseconds. So VC starts off as 20 volts and it decays after 5 tau, which is 2.88 seconds. That's 5 times this number to 0. IC starts off as 6.25 milliamps and it decays down to 0 after 5 tau. And then VR2 starts off 13.75 volts and it decays down to 0 after 5 tau.